Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi A1 and today I'll show you how you can put this device into fastboot mode. So to get started, let's hold our power key and then select power off. Once the phone turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now once you see the Mi logo on the screen, you will let go of the power key. Come on, there's the vibration and there we go. So once you see the Mi logo, let go of the power key like I said. You want to keep holding volume up though. You'll then see the Android with no command, so hold power key, press volume up, and you should be now in the recovery mode. And in this mode, obviously, using volume keys, you want to scroll down, select fastboot, confirm it with power key, and there we go. We are now in fastboot mode. So that's all you need to do. And here we have two options, technically. So we have enter recovery mode, which takes us a step back to the previous screen, and we can also enter bootloader. Two other options are just a way of leaving this mode. So we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, and power off. So I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it using power key again, and this will just take me, like I said, back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.